Rob at the Doctor's Toy Store, back tables, surgery tables. This is it's a workstation table. This is PEDIGO. It's top line stainless steel, made in the United States, which is really important. We support the United States. Show them the flag. That's our flag. So when you buy from Doctor's Toy Store, you're supporting one of the largest flags in South Florida, right off 95. Anyhow, this is 2 shelves. It's got casters, so you can roll it anywhere you want to go. And one of the really nice things about this is you can just pull this, and voila, you have a 3rd station. If you like, you can raise it or lower it. There's a little pin over here. So if you want to bring this up or down, you can do that. You've got that option. Then you also have the option of turning this up or down. And then when you're done, you just pull it, just pushes down. Brand new, they're 4,500 delivered. We got this one mint condition, 3,200 delivered anywhere in the United States. We also trade your excess equipment called the Doctor's Toy Store at 877 DRS Toys. If your car breaks, the PEDIGO is fantastic. Why? Because you can also push it, jump, and get to the next office.